If you haven't used your Bosch Tassimo My Way 2 in a while, you might find that it's got an air lock and you'll need to prime the pump to get it working again. Now, we've done various videos on different coffee machines on our channel throughout the years. For example, you can use things like a balloon. Open this up, blow up a balloon, push a balloon down and it will put pressure on the water and it will force it into the machine. Or you could use a Ziploc bag. But often what works really well and is really easy is just lifting this up and down numerous times. And in fact, you will see little air bubbles coming up. So watch this. If I lift it up now, and if I drop it down, if you look at this part here, because this part is where the water comes out and it goes into here. So we want to force the water into here, into the machine. Watch this. When I drop it down, you'll see, can you see the air bubbles come up there? So if you were just to sit here like a crazy person and do this 30, 40 times, that could be enough to get the water into the machine, prime the pump and remove the airlock. So keep doing this for a few minutes and then give it another go and see this time if water or coffee starts coming out for your machine. Now, if you're worried about wasting the coffee, you can always do a rinse on the machine, and to do that, all you've got to do is put the service disc in here with the barcode down, close it, and then you will just hit the middle button and it will rinse through a certain amount of fluid. And by doing that and by lifting the tank up and down at the back numerous times, hopefully then you will get water through your machine. If this video has helped you out, give it a thumbs up. If you fixed it in another way and removed your airlock in another way, again, put it down in the comment section because you might help other people out. Thanks for watching.